Today I'll show you exactly how to check the members of a Telegram channel, whether it's public or private, and whether you're just a member or the channel admin. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll confidently know how to find member counts and understand who can see which details. Let's get right into it. So let's start with public channels using the Telegram desktop app or the web version. First up, you'll need to open Telegram on your computer or head to webtelegram.org in your browser. Whether you're using the app or the website, the process is pretty much identical. This step's super simple, but just make sure you're logged into the correct account if you've got more than one. If you don't see your channels immediately, give it a second. Sometimes the chat list takes a moment to load, especially on the web version. Now, with Telegram open, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the specific public channel you're interested in from your chat list. If you're in a lot of channels, don't worry. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly type in the channel name. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on that channel to open up the chat window. At this point, you'll see all the messages in the channel, but to find out more about the members, you'll want to look up at the very top of the window. Up there, you'll see either the channel's name or its profile picture. Click directly on that name or profile image. Think of it as the front door to all the channel's details. When you do this, the channel profile or info panel will open up on the right side of your screen, or sometimes as a pop-up, depending on your version of Telegram. Here, where the magic happens, right in this panel, you'll see the total member count for the channel. For public channels, this number is visible to anyone, so you don't need to be an admin just to check how many people are following. Sometimes, especially in larger channels, you'll notice you can't see every individual member. This is by design. Telegram protects a bit of privacy, especially for non-admins. You might see a short list like some recent joiners or channel admins, but the full scrollable member list is normally restricted to admins only. So if you're just a regular member, don't worry, that's completely normal. You still get the important part, the total number of members at a glance. Now, if you're dealing with a private channel and you're an admin, that's where things open up a bit more. By default, only the administrators of private channels are allowed to see the complete list of every member. This helps keep private communities, well, private. The process to access that info is pretty much the same. Click on the private channel from your chats, then click on the name or profile picture up top. If you're logged in as an admin, the info panel that opens will let you see every single member, not just the count, scrollable and complete. That way, you know exactly who's in your channel and can manage things if needed. If you're not an admin, you'll only see limited details, so don't worry if your view seems different. It's Telegram doing its job to keep things secure. Alright, that's all there is to it. Checking Telegram channel members is straightforward, but with a couple subtle differences depending on your role and whether the channel's public or private. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or something didn't work as expected, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, clear tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck exploring Telegram.